Have you ever gone to the barber thinking that you'd get out of the barbershop looking like Ryan Reynolds, but instead, you get out looking like Dora the Explorer? Then you put the hat on and start wondering, what just happened? Well, what happened is that you didn't pick the right haircut for your face. In this video, I will give you an easy way to choose the perfect haircut for your face shape. Let's get to it. Start by determining your face shape. Take a look at this picture and find a mirror to compare your face to these different face shapes. Now that you know what your face shape is, let's see what haircuts suit you the best. If you have a square face, you're literally a giga chap. Square faces come with a razor-sharp jawline and suit the largest number of hairstyles. It's like you won the genetic lottery. What most experts recommend is to keep your hair fairly short and traditionally neat. Consider undercut or the curly gentleman's cut. And what you can also do is maintain some light stubble that can give the sharpness of your jawline a little welcome texture without blurring its line. An oval face shape does pretty much any hairstyle justice, so you lucky boy, the choice is very much yours. What I would suggest is to avoid fringe haircuts completely. Trust me, you don't want any hair on your forehead. Instead, get a crew cut. It will frame your face perfectly because of the tapered sides. You might also go with a classic side part since it is an absolute match for oval faces and can be worn short or medium length. Round faces actually have some similarities to square faces, since both shapes are pretty symmetrical and have a similar width from top to bottom. But here's the twist. Round faces tend to lack sharp lines or definition. For this kind of shape, a pompadour hairstyle with an undercut is the perfect haircut for you, as it gives you extra inches and can actually hide the puffiness of your face. Another option I would suggest is to get a textured crop haircut. It will slim out your face and give you an extra height to the top of your head. Diamond faces tend to have a narrow chin with width in the cheeks. That's why a messy fringe will be the way to go with this one, as it will add some nice texture to the forehead. An additional tip, always keep your hair relatively long and layered, because longer and layered styles work really well due to the roundness and volume of diamond-shaped faces. If you have a triangular face shape, your jaw is likely wider than your forehead. So what can you do to balance this out? Well, you may want to add volume to the top of your head. A thick quiff or pomp could do wonders to achieve such balance. It is really important to keep your hair thick and flowing, even if it means using extra volumizing hair products. According to most experts, beards and triangle face shapes do not necessarily match, so keep in mind to go for a light stubble or a clean shave instead. Since your face is somewhat long, the last thing you want to do is to make it longer. So avoid tapered faux hawks or pompadours with deep fades or anything that pairs long hair on top with much shorter length around the sides. What I would suggest is to go for a quality side part if your hair is short, or a voluminous slicked back look if your hair's longer. If you have a heart-shaped face, your chin is likely pointed, which means that a narrow haircut will accentuate the sharpness of your features. You may want to consider longer hair with a mid-length side-swept part, layered quiff, or textured fringe. Additionally, growing a beard can add fullness to your narrow jawline, and short to medium-length hair is recommended for this face shape. Now that you know what your face shape looks like and what suits it the best, you can go to the barber knowing that you will get out looking your absolute best. Trust me, it's one of the biggest glow-ups a guy can get. If you found this video useful, here are some other videos that might help you as well. Peace out.